Hello, this is Keith All, and today we're going to do another tutorial with Builderall on how you can move or copy elements from one page to another using the same layout. So let's see how we could do this. So here I have my main page, and there's multiple ways that we could copy certain elements over to another page within your layout or your current website. So let's add a few elements here. Let's do a text element, and I'm going to do something small. I'm going to do this. Okay, that's one element. Let's do something else, like add some boxes. Okay. We're going to do this a few times. So let's say you want to move multiple elements. I'm going to add in a text. What I'm going to do, you'll see in a second why I'm doing this, but I'm going to add in, let's do this, put it on the box. Let's add in a button. Okay, now we add in a button here. Okay, so what we could do is we could do this through the header or footer. What that means is if we take these elements and put them in the header or footer, then that means those elements are gonna be in the header, and the header appears on every single page, or the same thing with a footer. So I could go ahead and do this, drag and copy it. As you could see, as I move out of the body, there's it's highlighted. The body is highlighted with a blue border around it. Once I jump to the header, it changes to the yellow. So right now, it's sitting on top of the header. And I added a couple elements to this box element so I can move them all together all at once. So if I grab a hold of the box, as you can see, those two elements appear there. And I'm going to drop it onto the header. Now, once I go to another page in my layout, any page, you can see that the header is there, and those elements are now on the header. So what else? All I have to do is drag it onto the body, and there you have it. You have the element now on this page. Same thing with this box element. Grab it, put it into the body. Now it appears on this page. If I wanted to grab these elements off this box, I grab it, drag it right off, and now it appears on this page. So that's one way that you can transfer elements or copy elements from one page to another using the same layout. So I'm going to show you a different way to also do it. So I'm going to just delete these elements. And let's do it in another way. The second way is by adding a pop-up to your website or to your layout, and then putting elements into that pop-up. So let's see how we could do that. So to create a pop-up, you come over here to the left menu, click on the plus sign, which is where you can add in elements, and right here you have a pop-up. So let's select that. I want to add a new pop-up, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a blank pop-up. I'm going to call it POP, and then click confirm, and as you can see, now this pop-up appears here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And all I'm going to do is now I'm going to take an element that's either already on this current page, or I can add another element from here. So let's select a button. Let's move this down. Let's drag this button element onto the pop-up. Now it's with the pop-up. So I could close this out. Let's go to another page within the layout. Okay. And now let's open up the pop-up by clicking on this plus sign. Pop-up. Here's the pop-up that I created. I'm going to click on this ellipsis here, which is 3 dots, and then I'm going to show it. Here's the pop-up. Now I'm going to drag this element, put it into my body. As you can see, it turns a blue border. Now all I have to do is just let it go, and there is your element on this particular page. So those are a couple ways that you could transfer or copy elements from one page to another using the same layout. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today, and come back often because I'm going to be doing more tutorials on using the Builderall platform to help you guys grow your business and build your websites. Again, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so you always get updated when I upload a new video. And if you have comments or questions, please comment below and I'll answer them for you. Thanks again. Have a great day.